So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to sell Solana on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, go to the bottom left and press home. Then where it says buy, swap, send, receive, press buy. Then at the bottom, press sell crypto for cash. Then where it says you want to sell, I want you to go ahead and select Ethereum and simply go ahead and change that to Solana. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Solana right here. Now you can actually find Solana, so instead a workaround right here would be to go back and actually to swap crypto right here. So this would be like, for example, swapping Solana for Ethereum. So if I were to go ahead here and type in Solana, just like this, Solana, you can go ahead and select Solana. Then you can go ahead and change that to whatever you're looking for. So if I were to go to Ethereum, for example, I can just press Ethereum just like this and then select Ethereum. So if you were to go ahead and change Solana for Ethereum, you could then go back to where it says buy and sell right here, select Ethereum, and then sell that. You can see the amount, and then you can select how you want to sell it, so debit or credit and or bank transfer. Then if all looks good, go to the bottom, press get quotes, and then proceed that way. So no direct way to sell Solana, but you can do this by swapping the crypto and kind of going from there. But yeah, that's how you guys can sell Solana on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.